Hi everyone, I hope you're having a great day. In today's video, we have the Redmi Note 15 Pro with us, and I'll explain how to fix the auto restart problem quickly and effectively. So if this tutorial helps you out, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss any update. So let's dive right in.